Welcome to the JMT.
Minister of FCT don talk say he get back up from Babati because he don carry better plan come Abuja. My people, how una dey? We don come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time when you dey come across this our video, make you do well to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news where they enter your phone as if na text message. This will not be them say this one na see am for yourself, make you hear am for yourself. My people, Minister of FCT don come and talk say he get plans for Abuja. He talk plenty things, but the one wey draw my attention now na the one wey talk say if you know say you go build house for where you not supposed to build that, you better just define how you want to park or how you want to do your life, because like this they go carry that house come down to zero level. My people, I no go fit hear this one, I no fit see hello. Make una listen to wetin this man get to talk. Watch this video to the end.
All those people who are distorting the master plan of Abuja, too bad. If you know you have built where you're not supposed to build, it will go down. It will go down. Be a minister of anywhere, be an ambassador. If you know you have developed where you're not supposed to develop, your house must go what? Down. Those who have taken over the green areas to build, sorry, our parks must come back. The green areas must come back. If you hate green, you must hate yourself. So if you know you have anybody who is involved that have taken over the green areas, have taken over the parks, to where you now do restaurants, no, we will not accept that. Sorry. If your father have done that, sorry. If your mother have done that, sorry. There's nothing I can do. It will go down. And all these people are doing land marketing. I'll talk to the staff tomorrow. There are a lot of people involved. And let me tell you, that period of land marketing is what? Over. And those that government are giving CFO land, allocated land to them, they refuse to develop. And they are becoming land speculators. The land is gone. I'm going to revoke them. I will revoke, because I don't understand how your government will give you land to develop, then you keep the land outside, land that you may have paid for 200,000. You're not beginning to find who will buy it for 2 billion and 3 billion. Who does that? We'll take back our land and give it to those who want to develop. And you must sign that you must develop at so time. So, if you're part of those who have been getting soft land, it will come back to us. And some people are saying, oh, Abuja is not doing this, Abuja is not doing that.
Welcome to the JMT.
Those of you who also have refused to pay a grand rent, non-payment of grand rent is a breach of covenant. I don't need to write you to pay. You know this is what is what. This is a tenant. At the end of the month, you are supposed to pay social amount, for example. And then you say, oh, my landlord has done anything to me. No, it doesn't make sense. But Abuja needs money too. Is it not? Part of the revenue, or source of revenue, is grand rent. So if you have not paid, be it national, whatever you call it, banco, anywhere, big man, sorry. I will not be tired to revoke. That's what I'm here.
My people, hope una watch the video. How una check am, how una reason the matter where you just talk. So how una check your plan. I go like no, make una drop una comment for comment section. And make una not forget to like and share this video. Make una do well to stay safe until we meet again for another news. Una do. DJ